Hi there! I'm Poli, Senior Instructional Designer at iSpring. In this video, we will talk about the top AI tools for educators. Creating online courses and lectures can be so time-consuming. And when you are balancing lesson planning, grading assignments, and everything else on your plate, it can feel overwhelming. But here's the good news. AI-powered tools can save you more than 200 hours a year. And they don't just help you cut down content production time. They can act as your personal assistant, helping you refine and enhance your lessons from the ground up. So let's take a look at 5 amazing AI platforms worth trying in 2025. First up, Canva Magic Write. It's a part of Canva's Magic Studio, a popular platform you might have already heard of. If writing isn't your strong suit, then this tool can be a true lifesaver. Canva Magic Write can inspire your creativity by providing course ideas, generating course structures, and writing content for your lessons. In other words, it's a great way to overcome writer's block. With just a few clicks, you can turn an idea into a first draft and create lessons that are more engaging and impactful. Canva Magic Write is super easy to use. Just create or open an existing project, click the Canva Assistant button, and enter a prompt describing the text you want to generate. Voila! Your content is ready for review. Next up is Edu8. This is a solid all-in-one AI teaching assistant that helps with everything from lesson planning and classroom materials to student assessments. You can ask the AI assistant to plan a lesson, check an assessment, and even translate your learning content. A huge advantage for teachers working with multilingual students. What I love about this tool is how neatly it organizes your project. Each task is stored separately, so you can just select the feature you need and handle one task at a time. Overall, it's a powerful and reliable AI tool packed with useful features. One AI tool I always recommend is iSpring Page. It's the best choice out there if creating online courses is a big part of your teaching routine. iSpring Page makes course development quick, easy, and super efficient. Not just thanks to its integrated AI assistant, but its intuitive UI too. Plus, it runs right in your browser. No need to download or install anything on your computer. iSpring AI does it all. You can use it to generate and edit course text, brainstorm content ideas, and even create relevant quiz questions. That's actually my favorite part. Usually, building a quiz takes a while since I need to go through the course, highlight key points, write questions, and think of several answer choices. But now, iSpring AI does all the heavy lifting for me. Bottom line, this is a 10 out of 10 AI tool for enhancing your learning projects and saving tons of precious time. Next up, we have Education Copilot. Many educators' favorite platform for putting together class materials and lesson plans. This tool is also great for creating personalized learning experiences for your students. AI can evaluate student work and refine lesson outlines by suggesting extra challenges for advanced learners or step-by-step guides for those who need more support. And that's not all. Education Copilot can help with all kinds of teaching tasks. I've used it to draft new project outlines and even put together student progress reports. How do you use AI in your teaching? Let me know your favorite use case in the comments. Last but not least, we've got the PowerPoint Speaker Coach. And this one's little different from the rest. This AI platform helps you build your confidence in public speaking, a crucial skill for any educator, right? With PowerPoint Speaker Coach, you can practice and improve your presentation skills in real time. The tool analyzes your tone, speaking pace, and emphasis, and then gives constructive feedback and tips. Visual reports help you see your strengths and areas for improvement on one intuitive dashboard. Overall, it's the perfect AI tool if your goal is to keep your students engaged with clear and awesome presentations in the classroom. That's it for the tools. Try these AI platforms and see which one or ones works best for your teaching needs. One word of caution though. While AI is a great technology, it comes with challenges and potential pitfalls. To help you navigate them, let's go over the pros and cons of using AI in education, starting with its biggest benefits. First things first, AI tools are fantastic time savers. You can automate tedious tasks, giving you more time for creativity and student engagement. AI can also enhance your learning materials. As we've seen, AI proofreads and improves text, suggests course outlines, and even plans engaging lessons. Your job is to pick the best ideas and build on them. Let's not forget about design. AI tools offer great design suggestions, like a unified color palette, matching fonts, and slide layouts. AI can turn your course pages into custom templates based on your content and format. From there, you can easily tweak and refine your course structure and narrative flow. You can take it as a step further and make AI your content writing assistant. It can help you develop course material on virtually any topic and for any level of expertise. Finally, delegating assessment creation to AI gives you a huge advantage. The tools we've covered can generate quizzes, tests, and other assessments based on your learning materials and preferred style. Now that we've talked about the benefits of AI, let's take a look at some of the potential problems of using it in education. Keep these pitfalls in mind when integrating AI tools into your teaching. Like anything else, AI isn't perfect and makes mistakes. Always review and fact-check AI-generated content before sharing it with students. Without proper oversight, inaccurate information can make its way into your course, simply because AI doesn't know better. Here's how to avoid errors in your courses and resources. Check reputable sources to verify factual information. See if the content aligns with the course objectives and intended learning outcomes. Review the course for coherence, overall clarity, and logic. The next important thing to remember is that artificial intelligence can't replace you or your expertise as an educator. I know it's disappointing. We are not at the stage where AI can handle everything while you sip cold drinks on the beach. That's a shame. AI lacks the creativity, insight, and contextual understanding what educators bring to the table. It works best as a support tool, enhancing course creation when combined with human expertise and careful review. That's precisely why we don't recommend relying on AI to build an entire course. Yes, it can create content on any topic, but AI doesn't know what truly matters to your audience or the best way to present your information to engage your learners. Keep this in mind when you bring AI into the offering process. Another potential pitfall is bias in AI algorithms. What does that mean? Well, AI absorbs and replicates any information it's trained on, including biases. Let's say you're creating a mini course on literature using an AI content generator that's trained on historical text, which are predominantly written by male authors. It will likely prioritize written materials and quotes from men, overlooking female writers. This is just one example of how AI can perpetuate bias in subtle ways. So be on the lookout for these imbalances and don't hesitate to adjust the output. Well, there you have it. The truth is, AI is here to stay. The real question isn't whether to use it, but how to use it effectively. Explore different tools, find what fits your goals, and use AI wisely to save time, improve learning content, and make your teaching life easier. If you're looking for more e-learning tips, recommendations, and expertise, subscribe to our channel. We've got plenty of awesome videos to help you grow professionally and develop your skills. And don't forget to join the iSpring Learning Exchange on LinkedIn. This is a friendly community of learning enthusiasts where you can expand your network, share knowledge, and access exclusive expert resources. Find the links in the video description below, and thanks for watching. See you next time.